Okay, here I have a spreadsheet containing data that I am going to use for a mail merge to a form letter. The important thing whenever using a spreadsheet, no matter what you're using it for, is to always isolate your data into its smallest state. So you notice first name is separated from last name, address 1. Sometimes I even separate out street numbers, but that's a little bit of overkill, I think. Town, state, zip, okay? And the address 2, because frequently that's going to need to go, depending upon if you're merging this to an envelope, it might need to go to the second line, depending upon the size of the envelope. So you just want to get things down into small bits of data, because you can always point to where you want them, choose to use them or not use them. But if we had Sonia Hardy all in one block, then if we decided to add in her husband's name or something like that, it would be difficult to do. All right. Okay, so that is our spreadsheet for our data. Now we're going to look at I already created the form letter. I could have waited and created it in the middle of the merge. You can just do it right then and there. I just thought it would be simpler if I'd already had it done for you. Okay, insert. I'm going to insert the date and time. And I think I'm going to put it up here. Insert date and time. I'm going to use this format. I have it checked for update automatically, so no matter when I open this letter, it would always put that day's date in its place. Okay, next thing, I'm going to go over here to mailings. This is Office 2007 that we're using, so mail merge is on the mailings tab. We've already started our mail merge, really. The next thing we're going to do is select recipients. We're going to use an existing list, and it is in this folder here. Random spreadsheet it's called. Now I'm pointing to it. Say OK. Next thing over, edit recipient list. That would be if I just didn't want to send it to everybody. I would do that there. OK. Address block. I am going to use an address block. These are pre-existing merge fields that make it easy for you. So at the address block, what's it look like? Sonia Harding, Oak Creek Road, apartment number 33. Looks good, but the city or town's missing. So I need to go down here to match fields. These are all fields. Remember, first name is a field, last name is a field, address 1, address 2. So there's a field that doesn't match up to the default ones that are built into the program, and it's the city field, and because I named it Town City. So now there I matched it up. Say OK, and OK again, and now you can see that everything's where it should be. I'm going to actually do a little formatting right here and now. You can wait until later to do this, but there's too much space between the lines, so I'm going to highlight those lines, choose paragraph, and it says 10 point. I'm going to change that to 1, say OK, and I just think that looks better. Alright, I'm going to hit enter and go down here a little bit, and here I'm going to insert a greeting line. Again, this is just a pre-existing merge field for us. Okay, dear, that's fine. Joshua Randall Jr., I just want to use his first name, or a first name, with a comma after it. If there's an invalid, if something's wrong with my spreadsheet, it'll insert dear sir or madam instead. So dear Sonia, that's how it looks. Good. Say OK. Now you can see I've created my document, and if I go over here, you can see I've got preview results is turned on. Highlight merge fields is turned on. And if I want to look at my recipients, I can just keep going. Looks good. Alright, I'm going to choose Finish and Merge. And at this point, I can edit individual documents if I need to. I can go right to the printer, or I can take these and send them using my Outlook contacts folder as email messages. I can also merge it to a PDF file, which I've had occasion to do before, but generally speaking, that's probably not the route you're going to take, unless you want to do it to check it over and make sure everything is looking good. Okay, that's it.